Hello, Nomad Sculpt. How to create new tools or brushes. Okay, let's open Nomad Sculpt. Oh, um, let's create a new scene and grid perspective off, and I use a trackball, and I think now everything is fine. Okay, you can every tool, when you press on it, you can clone it. Also the mask tool or the smudge tool, every brush, and every brush has its own settings here, stroke settings, pressure settings, and paint settings. Okay, we create a normal brush. This is this one. I press on it and I clone it. Now I give it a name. I say new brush. Okay. At the moment, the brush has the same settings as the brush, this brush before. Okay, but we want to adjust it and save it as a new brush. First, we go to the stroke settings and we are searching for a new alpha. For alpha search, you can use Google, use ZBrush Alpha, a picture search, and or you can create your own alphas on an app like Procreate. It's a grayscale image or black and white, like this. The Pixel Logic pictures are free. I press on it and I save it to my photo library, and I go back to the Nomad app in the settings for the stroke. I press on the picture and I press the small plus and press on photos, and I bring the knob here in the alphas, and now the alpha is active. For the scaling, you can scale it a little bit when you want. Use a fall off, like a flat fall off, or you can test the other fall offs also. And we use the dot function. And when we set the stroke spacing to 100%, let's test what happens. I'm subdividing the mesh a little bit more, and now you see when you brush here, stroke spacing 100%, and you can smooth the stroke a little bit, then this happens. And we can adjust it a little bit more. We can use the tiling function and set the Y tiling to nothing, and this one to repeat. And then we can use the scaling to make it a little bit smaller. And now when we brush, this happens. And when we can adjust the size, and we reduce the intensity, this happens, and turn the symmetry off. Now we got a nice knob brush. Okay, and to keep the same size or radius of the knob, go to the pressure settings, press use a flat one, and at the top you can uncheck use global settings. use the flat one, and the intensity, use also the flat one. And now when you brush, every stroke has the same intensity and the same radius. And we can adjust the radius again. And now that's brush knobs. Okay. And when we are fine with the settings, we can also set the paint, stroke painting. And now when we paint, when we brush, the knob gets the color. Yes, and we can try with the scaling a little bit till we are fine with our brush. And now when everything is complete, we go to the brush at the bottom here, and now we save the settings. Yes, save settings. And now we close the Nomad app, reopen it, and now our brush, new brush at the bottom, is saved with the settings we choose for the brush. And now it's a complete new brush. And in another video, a video before, I showed how to export the brushes and to import it. And you find the brush on an iOS device at a Nomad, and the tools here at the top is the new brush JSON file from today. And in the alphas, you find your image of the knob. Yes. This is how to create a new brush. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.